Today, we're in After Effects and we're going to learn how to change all the text in a project all at once. So traditionally, when you download a template inside of After Effects, you have to double click into the composition, each one. Let's say we wanted to retype this. We double click into this composition, which is text 01 over here on the left. And here's our type, and we can retype it from here. Now, what if I want to change all this text all at once with like a plugin or something? It exists, and it's pretty awesome. It's called TextPilot. Comment pilot down below, and I'll send you a link. So what you do is just click Scan Project. It scans all the text lines in the project. From here, you can copy all of this, paste it somewhere, retype it, do whatever you want to do. Otherwise, you can actually select a composition from here. Let's select T06, Black Friday sale. Let's jump to this layer with the jump button. The jump button automatically finds our layer for us, which is really handy if you're looking for it. Otherwise, we can take all of this copy here. We can paste in new copy with each line exactly the same as in the length and whatnot. And then click Apply Bulk Changes. And as you can see over here, once we hit Apply Bulk Changes, every single line of text has been changed in this entire project. And that is TextPilot. And that is how it works. And as well, there's a little Learn More button right here. And from here, you can find our website link, our contact page, and our Discord to talk to me directly. Talk to you guys soon. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out filmit.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.